Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the sound from your earbuds shutters or is intermittent. Firstly, I recommend it to check for updates, so go to the VIVO Earphones application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app, then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap on them. Now scroll down, and at the bottom we have earphone firmware upgrade. Firmware is the same as software, so just tap at this line. And it checked and it said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, you will see a button download and install. You tap at this button and wait until this update finished. Now, if it didn't help you or you have the last software version, I recommend it to go to the settings, then connected devices, and near to your earbuds we have settings icon or information icon. Tap at this icon, and right here we have spatial audio. This feature not available for all Android devices, so you may have it. But if you have, try to disable it and also check is it fix your problem. Now, if it doesn't, next step is to perform a soft reset. So put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Now this earbuds disconnected from your phone, you can check it in the settings. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices. If you have iOS, you will see the information that it's not connected. And then you open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone, so maybe this one fix your problem. If it doesn't, the last one, I recommend it to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, also put your earbuds to the charging case, and you need to press and hold at the both of touch areas located at the back side of each earbud until the LED light on the front side start blinking orange. But before press and hold, I recommend it to close the case and open it. And now press and hold. Now, if the LED light not blinking white after 5 seconds, it means that you doing something wrong and you need to repeat this process. Okay, we have orange LED light, so I can release my fingers, and firstly we need to remove these earbuds from your phone. So at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds, then forget and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top, but some Android phones haven't this button, so if you haven't, you need to or just go back and return to the Bluetooth or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. But I need to tap at this button, and after a factory reset, your earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you need to tap on them at the device list and then click Pair. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!